Welcome to your Cybertruck. This video will show you how to lock, unlock, and access your Cybertruck using different key options. Phone key is the primary key you will use to access your Cybertruck. It allows you to use your phone's Bluetooth connectivity and ultra-wideband to automatically unlock your Cybertruck as you press the door release button, power on when you're ready to drive, and lock as you walk away when configured to do so. Set up phone key by enabling Bluetooth on your phone, opening the Tesla app, and selecting Set up phone key. Since phone key wirelessly communicates with your Cybertruck over Bluetooth, your phone will be able to function as a key even without an internet connection. Your Cybertruck comes with 2 key cards that can be used to unlock and lock Cybertruck. We recommend keeping a key card with you in case your phone key is unavailable or you need to give someone else access to your Cybertruck. To unlock with key card, place it against the driver's side door pillar above the button and below the camera. The exterior lights will flash, the side mirrors will unfold, and the horn will sound. Open the door by pressing this button on the pillar. The door will open, allowing you to grasp it at the top. Pull it to open fully. Once inside, power on Cybertruck by pressing the brake pedal. If you wait more than 2 minutes to power on, place the keycard on the wireless phone charger to re-authenticate. Additionally, if using phone key, pressing the brake will automatically power on your Cybertruck. Remove the keycard from the charging pad prior to placing your phone. To exit, press the button at the front of the door handle and push the door open. In the unlikely situation where Cybertruck has no power, pull the manual door release located in front of the window switches. This release should only be used during an emergency. Once you've exited, place the keycard against the driver's side door pillar to lock. With phone key and walk-away door lock enabled, Cybertruck will automatically lock when you walk away. The exterior lights will flash, the side mirrors will fold, and the horn will sound, confirming that your Cybertruck is locked.